The Avalanche is back in the shop. We've got just under 295,000 miles on it. And we're going to be replacing one of the sway bar links for the first time. So here's what we bought. We got the Duralast sway bar link. Part number is SL700432. And that's for our 07 Avalanche. And that was the cheapest one they had. We always still buy this cheap stuff, and yep, usually bites us in the ass, but let's have a look at it here. There we go. Looks a little different than the one that's on there, or, well, the half one that's on there. It's rusted and half of it's gone, but sure that's right. Well, we'll get the wheel off and get working on this. Well, the first thing we'll do is we'll get this wheel off. Now, I noticed this last week when we were when we did our oil change. But I did hear it, you know, for a week or so, banging and clanging in there. Well, you can see it's broken off here on the bottom, and it's pretty rusty, so getting this apart might be a bit of a challenge. 9/16 here. I'll have to hold the shaft. Get a pair of vice grips on there. That's a surprise. The nut's moving relatively easily too. I think I'm going to go grab a ratchet wrench for this 9/16. All that rust on there, I did not expect that to come apart so easy. I thought we were going to be fighting this for a while. Might still be to get it all the way apart, but oh, look at that. I am so amazed. Oh well, we'll go get the new one. Get it in place. Now the new one and the old one don't look alike, but I did line them up and they are the same length. I'll probably have to jack up the bottom of that A-arm there. I will have to. Let me get another little jack. Well, I've got a little jack underneath the A-arm. Got most of the weight of the vehicle on that jack now, and I've still got a big space here. The A-arm has not come up enough. But if I press down on this sway bar, it does move. I might just wrap a ratchet strap around there. You know, usually the threads sticking out are long enough that you can just, you know, run the nut through and get them on there, but not on this one. I think maybe I'll just grab a strap and see if that works. Well, is it really a dumb idea if it works? I think it is. thread to get the nut started. I'll run that up without the washer in there for a minute. Try to seat it in. Compress some of those bushings and we'll undo it again and put that washer back. Whoa. Drop the wrench. Come on. There, it's grabbing now. Alright, that should do. Get that ratchet strap out of there and we'll have a look. Well, we got her tightened down good. Got the strap off. All we got to do now is just put the wheel back on, get it off on the ground, and we're done. Well, tire's back on. The Avalanche is back on the ground. This repair is complete. Doesn't get much simpler. Everything went well. Everything came apart properly. Well, anyways, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I got a bunch more videos on this Avalanche, as well as some other stuff you might find interesting. Anyways, thanks for watching.